itinuturing na pinakasikat na laro sa Pilipinas. Sa Pampanga, hindi rin papahuli ang mga Kapampangan sa paglinang ng basketball skills, lalo na ng mga kabataan. Dito na nga nabuo ang Universities and Colleges Athletic Association of Pampanga o UCAAP. Layo ng UCAAP na madiskubre ang potensyal ng mga future Kapampangan professional basketball players na posibleng maging bahagi ng national team. Suportado ng Kapitolyo ng Pampanga sa ilalim ng Sports Development Program ang UCAAP. Ang mga mahuhusay at may potensyal na manlalaro sa paliga ay inaalagaan at hinahasa sa Pampanga Basketball Training Camp.
There are many players that we help already. They are in the PBA, NCAA, and UAAP.
Kabilang sa mga naging produkto ng Pampanga Basketball Training Camp ay nasa NCAA at UAAP ngayon, tulad nina Larry Muyang, Daryl Pascual, Wilson Carmona, Justin Baltazar, Jay Pangalangan, Miguel Pangilinan at Neil Tolentino. Ilan sa mga sikat na professional basketball players sa produkto ng Pampanga Training Camp sina Arwin Santos ng San Miguel Beermen, Japeth Aguilar ng Barangay Ginebra, Calvin Abueva ng Phoenix Fuel Masters, Ronald Pascual ng Alaska Aces, Ian Sanggalang ng Magnolia Hotshots, Dexter Maiquez ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, Michael Miranda ng NLEX Road Warriors, at Michael Huico ng Pampanga Lanterns sa MPBL.
This is our second season to help other children, other players or other students to have some exposure and to be so that they can go to Manila with their basic basketball. So there are many players that we help already. They are in the PBA, NCAA, and UAAP. At saka ito nga, and to help these children to get away from prohibited vices.
Sa pag-arangkada ng UCAAP, magpapasiklaban sa dribbling, shooting, defense at offense ang 13 koponan mula sa Inter-Secondary Basketball Tournament. Kabilang sa bubuo ng Juniors Division ang Collegiate de Sebastian, International School for Technology and Skills Development Incorporated, Hoxton College, Jose Feliciano College Foundation, Mary the Queen College, Pampanga Colleges, Pampanga High School, Psalms, St. Augustine Institute for Technology, Santa Cruz Academy, Sindalan High School, San Vicente Pilot School for Philippine Craftsmen, at Systems Plus College Foundation. Magtutunggali naman sa Seniors Division ang Angeles University Foundation, Colegio de Sebastian, City College of Angeles, Don Honorio Ventura Technological State University, Holy Angel University, Hoxton College, Pampanga Colleges, St. Nicholas College at Systems Plus College Foundation.
Labing-tatlong taon na ang tinaguriang White and Green Junior Basketball Frontliners ng Mabalacat City. Ito ang kupunan ng Jose C. Feliciano College Foundation.
Go Felicians! Di pa matalo! Katang Feliciano! Hey!
Sa isang dekadang pakikipagtunggali sa loob ng hardcourt, nasa 50 championships na ang dinipensa ng veteranong koponan sa iba't ibang paligang sinalihan. Si head coach Roderick Hernandez, 6 na taon nang nangunguna sa koponan. Disiplina raw ang pinakamahalaga at ito raw ang susi sa kanilang bawat laro.
Just prepare themselves, put disciplines, respect, and then have a confidence also to their teammates.
Kumpiyansa naman ng star player at JCFC forward na si Ivan Magsino na makukuha nila ang kampyonato sa UCAAP 2018.
Alam namin sa isa't isa na kaya namin panalunin tong UCAAP na to. Yun lang.
We are the Sons of Green Griffins! We work!
Kagitong maituturing sa UCAAP 2018 ang koponan ng SAMS Academy. Pero kahit isang taon pa lang ang koponan, hindi raw nila bibiguin ang mga basketball enthusiasts, lalo na ang kanilang hometown sa Guagua. Ayon kay SAMS Academy Basketball Team Head Coach Rainiel Cabrera, mahigpit na depensa ilang alas sa matinding opensa ng kalabang koponan.
Siguro yung defense. Yun na, from the start, throughout the game, pumipressure sila.
Dark horse ng SAMS Academy ang 6'3 power forward na si Jeffrey C. Sinabayan naman ng SAMS ang matatag na rebound at mahigpit na depensa at opensa ng mga Feliciano.
Siyempre, una, depende.
On number 6, Z. Number 10, may panga ng bola. Number 10. That's number 5. And number 11. No good. And number 11 up wide. That's number 2. And number 1. Intercepted. Number 11, 4-2. Out of bounds, green basketball. Pulse basketball. Foul has been committed. Jersey number 5, hacking foul. There's a new first team foul. Feliciano. Traveling, Feliciano, turnover. Feliciano basketball. Inbounding number 11. Nagawan. And number 1. Pass to number 11. Kick out pass. Now number 11, fire. Number 11, 4-2. 2 points only. Number 10, Rocket. And number 13, number 11, 4-2. Number 11, coach. Number 11. Number 2, 4-2. Number 6C, penetrates. It's a traveling violation. Substitution.
Bautista, out ka muna.
Intercepted by number 7. De La Fuente. Nasa kay C. Nanalo ng papasan. Dala kay De La Fuente. Dala kay C. Number 11, wala. Rebound by number 4. Number 14, 4-2. Foul has been committed. Out of bounds lang. Substitution.
Number 11, Salms, out ka muna.
Number.
Sino? Number 12.
Number 12 out. Number 6. 8 rather. 8. That's okay. Number 11. Penetrates. Number 11. Overshoots. Rebound by number 8. Basket on number 8. Foul has been committed. Foul on number 68. 8 rather. 8. Inbounding De La Fuente. That's number 10, Roque. Roque. Number 11. That's the number 7, De La Fuente. Number 10, Roque fires. Overshoots. Not going out. Number 6, C, 4-2. Ten to shoot. Control. Turnover as a Feliciano basketball substitution. Number 6 out. C out. Placing number 4, Eric. Inbounding number 11. Pass to number 6. Kick and pass. Number 29, 4-2. Number 14 penetrates. Foul has been committed. Foul number 22. Substitution. Number 10 out. Medina out. Zama. Feliciano colors. Time remaining 4 minutes 50 seconds in the first quarter. Our official score is 13-10, 3-point lead by Palms. Back to the ball game. Number 8. That's number 29. That's number 16. That's number 8. That's number 11. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock reset control. Number 7. For shot. Wala. A rebound by number 8. That's a rebound. Number 11 penetrates. Nakuha ni number 8. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 8 penetrates. Block. And number 13. Number 14. May tanga na bola. 10 to shoot. Fires. Number 7 for 3. Number 8 penetrates. Foul has been committed. Foul on number 4. Hacking foul. Two free throws on number 8. JCFC. First basket. It's good. Second shot on number 8. Split. Rebound by number 4. Offensive rebound. There's still number 8 for 2. Number 14. Pinasok. Pinalik number 14. A steal on number 8. Wala. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7 penetrates. Kick up pass. A steal. Number 8. Number 8 for 2. Isa na lang at 16-15. De La Fuente. Crossover moves. That's number 4. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds, same ball. 13 out. 14 out of green. Shot clock 7 seconds, 7 seconds to shoot. 7 to shoot po tayo. Shot clock has 5. Shot clock reset at 14. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Number 8, 40. It's a change billboard. 16-17. 1 point lead by Feliciano College. It's a traveling violation. Turnover of Feliciano basketball. Nerik out. Number 4. Nakuha ang bola. Number 10, Roque. It's last touch. Feliciano basketball. 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the first quarter. 2 minutes. Number 8, itangan na bola. Number 8, nasa kay number 16. So last touch, same ball. Shot clock rimming at 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot clock at 15. Next dead ball. Number 8 penetrates. Wala. Rebound by number 8 Manalang. Nasa kay number 5. Nasa kay C. Foul has been committed. Foul on number 6. Hacking foul. Manaloto out. Number 8 out of Jose Feliciano. 2 free throws on number 6C. First basket, wala. Second shot on number 6C. Split on number 6. And deadlock po tayo at 7-0. First deadlock of the ball game. Number 6. Tangan ng bola. That's the number 7. 10 to shoot. Intercepted. Nakuha ni C. Pinasa kay Bautista number 5. Tinira. Overshoots. Nakuha ni C. Wala. Nakuha. It's an offensive foul committed on number 6. Proper inbound po tayo. Proper inbound. 1 minute and 6 seconds in the first quarter. Tie ball game at 17 all. 1 minute. Number 7 penetrates. It's the last touch on Jose Feliciano. Bounce basketball. Number 5. Bounding. Pinasa kay number 10, Roque. Roque may tangan ng bola. Sa kay C. Penetrates. Foul has been committed. Foul number 15, hacking foul. 2 shots on number 6C. First shot, it's good. Second shot on number 6C. Two out of 2 on number 6C. Number 7, may tangan na bola. Nasa kay number 15. Intercepted by number 6C. Pinasa kay number 7, Delapente. Malakas. Nakuha ni number 6. Offensive foul has been committed by number 6. Second personal foul. Penalty yan.